This is the Cigtrus Smoking Alternative Flavored Ale Inhaler. They're basically, if you're trying to get off of cigarettes and you want to try something that's not addictive. This has 4 pieces in it. This claims it's nicotine-free, non-addictive, smokeless, vaporless, non-electric, and it has essential oils, which is essentially how it works. This package itself is not one of the best packages I've ever seen. It's relatively flimsy, but opening it up, you can see that there are 4 pieces inside. Now, on the page itself, it doesn't claim how long each of these will last. They're non-electric, so they're not battery-powered, but I assume that it depends how hard you inhale, how often you use it, etc., etc. I am a little bit worried about these drying out, so I would continue to use these, or at least cap them after each use. Each one comes in a little colored package here, blue, green, yellow, and orange, each according to different flavors. This one is icy peppermint, this one is fresh spearmint, this one is zesty lemon lime, and this one is citrus grapefruit. Now, I read on some reviews on Amazon that some people weren't super happy about the flavors. They were either too weak or they didn't last long. I'm going to test them out and see what they're like and give you my opinion on them. So just gonna open up one of these for now, and then I'll open up the rest off camera and test them out. But just this one first. These are very, very small. I have relatively small hands, and this could get lost fairly easily. So the way to use these, you just take off the cap, and you take off the little end cap here as well. Now, I did taste that. I tasted that relatively strongly. Some people said it was weak. I think it's a little bit subtle, but it's not bad. Now, these are cheap plastic, but they will get the job done. I thought that was good, so I'm going to test the rest of them and let you know how they compare. Alright, I've tested each of them. Here are all of them out of their little packages, still relatively small. You might be a bit confused about the coloring, and so am I. For example, this is the icy peppermint, which is the blue. This is the fresh spearmint, it's black for some reason, and then these two at the end are both yellow with a very subtle color difference. I don't know if you can see it. That one's a little bit more orange than this one. This is the zesty lemon, and this one is the citrus grapefruit. Now, the tastes are relatively subtle in difference, but the aftertaste is a much larger difference, and I can differentiate them more. Overall, I think this is a relatively good deal. I'm not sure how long they last, but I can detect the difference. Now, full disclosure, I don't smoke cigarettes, and I'm not sure how effective these would be in getting someone off an addiction like cigarettes, but as a standalone, I would keep one of these in my pocket. They're a little bit cheap, but they get the job done, and they're fun little colorful things. So let me know what you think.